Ninja Pro provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.
Oster brings you Duralast All-Metal Drive, featuring a 10-year warranty. Durable, lasting, for unmatched blade power to pulverize and break down tough ingredients like kale, nuts, berries, and grapes. A metal-to-metal connection that's more durable than competitive plastic drives. With a 10-year warranty, the legendary Oster Duralast All-Metal Drive provides unparalleled power and strength to blend up to 10,000 smoothies. Duralast All-Metal Drive, only from the Oster brand.
When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
Hi, I would love to introduce you this wonderful blender. So in the box you have this manual. Also you have these two cups, different sizes with different caps. And all the cups of this product are made of high-extent, high-toughness 3-ton material from American Eastman Company. And also we have this wonderful catalog of the drinks you can make, so you can see the recipes. The base is heavy, which makes it stable, because the blender's base is around 4 kilograms, since others just 2 kilograms. And we have 3 buttons and 3 modes. So the host adopts double switch to control, which is more safe, avoiding the misoperation of consumers and ensuring long-term safety. This blender is also designed with 1-minute power-off function to ensure that the product is safely shut down and self-locked without being locked after. So now I'm doing this smoothie. So you can see I used 2 kiwis for this, and also I used thighs. So let's taste it. Yes, it's very good. So now I will cut tomatoes to compare 2 different blenders. So one of them is from famous brand, and which is 250 watts. And our blender is 1000 watts. So let's compare. You can see that our blender did it better, the way better. So now I will cut lemon and lime, and let's mix it. Also I will add some spinach in this cocktail. Let's wash them. Also I added this smoothie, and let's mix it so you can see how amazing it forms. It must be very, very healthy. So this is my favorite recipe of ice cream. For this we need to use frozen bananas, also frozen berries. I used strawberries and coconut cream. This will make it more like ice cream. So let's see what it will be. So now I will blend it. I'll make this color. So that's what we have, and it tastes amazing. I highly recommend you to try this at home because this recipe is really amazing. You just can't stop eating it.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.